Hello, it's Elliot from Kent Estate Agencies, and today we are in Herne Bay taking a look at a beautifully, absolutely immaculately presented 2-bedroom detached bungalow. Now this is Louisiana, number 1A Douglas Road, beautifully presented with plenty of space. Now just at the front you can see here that we've got plenty of parking via the gated driveway there on the left hand side, and just behind the vehicle there you've got another set of gates leading us to a bit more storage and then into the rear garden. But let's go through now and take a look at exactly what this property has on offer. Now coming straight through off of the front porch and into the main entrance hallway space here, you can already see that we've got that beautiful light and bright and airy sense here, and you've got access points to all of the principal rooms within the property. Now we're going to start the tour today by taking a look at the front bedroom here on the right hand side. Beautiful double-sized room with that lovely big window there to the front, and unique thing about this room, you do have the inset shower unit there on the right hand side. So if you did want to adapt an ensuite, a full ensuite into this bedroom, you could easily do that. Now you've got plenty of room in here for the double bed and for plenty of storage as well, and you'll see as we go through into the next bedroom that again we've got plenty of room again. But just before we do that, we're going to go through and take a look at this beautifully presented modern family bathroom. Now you can see here that we've got the loo and the sink unit there and the bath with the shower attachment, and just coming across the hallway now you can see that we'll go through into another double bedroom. Now plenty of room in here for the double bed, plenty of storage space as well, and of course that lovely big window to the front just overlooking that landscaped front garden. So let's go back through into the main entrance hallway space and into the lounge, where you'll find a beautiful amount of space. You've got a wonderful, really tasteful decorative finish here with this property as well, and you've got that feature gas fireplace there, just acting as a focal point to the lounge. Now we're just going to go through and take a quick look now at the conservatory, which overlooks the rear garden and does give us access through into the rear garden, but of course just taking in all of that beautiful lounge space there. So the conservatory itself, wonderful amount of space in here overlooking the landscaped rear garden, and gives you that little bit of extra reception space for the property. So next up we're going to go back through into the main entrance hallway space and just go and take a look at what we have up in the loft. So a little surprise for you here up in the loft space of number 1A Douglas Road, you've got a wonderful double bedroom. Now this space is accessible via the loft ladder here, but if you wanted to adapt it further, I'm sure you could. But a beautiful space to find tucked away in the loft, so a nice little surprise for you here. Now let's go back downstairs and take a look through the kitchen. So just coming through into the kitchen space now, you can see beautiful amount of room with that wonderful fitted kitchen with a range of fitted appliances here and space for other loose white goods. And of course you've got plenty of room in here for the breakfast table as well, so really nice amount of space and just overlooking the rear garden. So we'll go into the rear garden next, just take a look at what we have out there, and you'll see that we have the workshop and that beautiful koi pond. But before we go through and take a look at those, we're just going to go through to the left hand side, and then of course you'll see from the front of the property on the left you've got the gated access, and we're just going to show you what we have in there because that's quite an impressive amount of space. You could easily use it for storage or for a little bit more workspace, whatever you'd like to use it for. It's very versatile indeed. So just coming through here now, you can see the current owners have got more storage on the right hand side, but you've got plenty more secure parking here if you want it. So what I'll do is I'll leave you for a few moments just so that we can take this space in, and we'll recap a few points on the property in a moment. So there we have it. We've had a good look around Louisiana, number 1A Douglas Road, a beautiful 2-bedroom detached bungalow with that really surprising little loft room there. Beautiful landscaped rear garden and all of that space to the side. So I really hope that you've enjoyed taking a look at the property with us today, and I'm sure you have plenty of questions for us. And don't forget, if you like the way that we're presenting our properties in these video tours, why not give us a call today to book your own free valuation.